Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Leon 1.4 TSI 125 PS Excellence finished in monsoon grey. Features on the car are the daytime running lamps and full LED headlamps, front parking sensors and front fog lights. The car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels and built-in LED indicators into the mirror housing. There's also privacy glass standard on the car, which helps to reduce the interior temperatures on a hot day. The rear of the car is also parking sensors, and the Seat badge doubles as the boot handle, revealing a large loading space. The vehicle also benefits from a space-saving spare wheel. The car seats 5 in total, has a full black leather interior. There's also keyless entry, 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors that fold in, automatic lights, cruise control. The car's covered just over 3,500 miles. It benefits from a large touchscreen media display. Has a full link facility for Android and Apple phones, DAB radio, Bluetooth media streaming, satellite navigation, hands-free calls and sound adjustment, dual climate control with front heated seats, wireless charging pad for QI enabled mobile phones, hill hold and storage in the centre with a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further details or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.